Yeah, the breakfast look good. Stewed chicken, fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish and coffee. You like it, Joe? That's from me, Joe.
You opened it already?
You like it? Oh, blessing, this one is from mommy. Ooh. Merry Christmas, Joe.
Merry Christmas, aunties.
Merry Christmas, Auntie. Merry Christmas, Mickey.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Aww. Blessing is still sleeping.
Maybe she this cactus.
Yeah? From Santa?
Yes.
Let me see. Ah, Blessing, this is so cool. From Santa, Blessing.
Auntie Lisa,
From
look
Santa.
this present.
Oh, that's from me, Benji.
That's from you.
Yeah.
This is my present from Daddy.
I'm gonna bring all the presents over here.
So, look for all your gifts and put them one
Look
place.
what Santa got me.
What's that?
What is that?
Let me see.
It's like this ball that you throw and it flies up in the air.
Oh,
My
nice.
sister has that.
Wonderful. The bike is yours, Joe. The
Oh,
bike.
yes, sir.
You can ride with your friend in the summer, right?
Wait. Yes, sir. I needed that bike the whole time.
Oh, okay. I'm happy I got it for you.
I'm using a skateboard for practice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Santa.
What did you get from Santa?
Gift card.
Oh, let me see.
Answered my list.
Oh, wonderful, Ellie.
I don't even.
Zanny.
Whoa!
Oh. Are you happy?
Oh, come on, from my bicycle.
Open your gift.
We're not opening this one.
I got car.
It's a remote car, Joe.
It says,
Who's that?
Who's that from, Benji?
This is from Auntie Lisa.
That's right.
Yeah, so that's fire. This is from Auntie Lisa.
What's that, Joe?
Looks like someone needs to read books.
That would be you.
My list. Thank you.
Oh, Mickey. It's so cute.
Thank you, Auntie Dana.
You like it, Joe? That's from me, Joe. Yeah.
oh, Michaela, give it a big hug.
Yeah. Aww.
Get your whole.
You actually have one.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so nice.
Whoa! You opened it already?
Thank you, Auntie Lisa.
You're welcome. You like it? Let me see, Zande.
Hi.
You like your hair pods?
Yes.
Nice.
Okay.
Mommy, what's this?
This is a soccer mat for you to practice soccer
Oh, yes, sir. I definitely need this.
with your soccer ball.
These are nice.
Soccer mats, okay?
Oh, these are
yes.
so cute.
Yeah. You can practice at home.
Get this from home. Jojo, you're going to...
You got a big doll from Auntie Kika. Say thank you, Auntie Kika.
Whoa! You get karaoke there with us. Because, guys, are we going to do Carolyn? Since that day of the karaoke.
See you. Take out your watch. You're gonna take off the fish?
I don't like it.
Say it again.
Auntie Lisa got me.
Woohoo! Auntie Lisa on a roll here.
Lisa, give them going strong.
Huh? Jojo got you some snowballs, Mickey? You like it? Yeah, that's nice.
This is the ball shoulder top I wanted.
Mickey,
This is the ball shoulder top I wanted.
Yes, Ellie from your godmother, aka Auntie Lisa.
I can't.
Mommy, where's my... So now we're going to open And what was
No,
that?
Blippy.
You love it?
Whoa.
You can't talk. He's like, oh, oh. Yeah, from Auntie Lisa.
Play-Doh.
You got Play-Doh and candy?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You got makeup? Nice, Mickey. Let me see them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
You get some hoodies, guys. You know you like them something.
Those are nice, Soraya.
Oh, they did.
Merry Christmas, Blessing. Are you ready to open some gift, baby? Welcome to the party.
Yes.
Hey, look, your bubble gum fell on the ground, Joe. Your bubble gum.
Oh, I need this bubble gum.
Oh, yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Whoa.
Blessing. God blessing, that you want to look.
Should I understand Christmas?
Hey.
Blessing got two.
Yeah.
Falling ladybug. Blessing got two of these bags. This was also for Blessing. Oh. I mean,
Ooh, Blessing, look. You got your own.
We love that toy.
I know.
That's
Look.
from me.
Look.
We love that
Blessing, look. Blessing, more. Blessing don't know what to touch, what to play with.
toy. Yeah, cost me a one in a million.
Year, 1 in a million. Cut up. Cut them up. What you say? Pick up yourself, baby. A million. Cut up. Cut them up. Cut them up.
I'm making for breakfast.
Love it.
I guess I'm not on the naughty
I
list.
like you. Very much.
Absolutely love it. Praise the Lord.
But we can do it today. Hot chocolate.
Then I still see no.
No. Oh my. I joke.
I try to taste your feet.
Tommy.
Okay.
First time Sean, I thought the pregnancy was horrible.
Yes, Auntie Dana with the ackee and saltfish. Looking good. Oh yes, Mickey. Yeah.
If you have a Jamaica your visa, you can't travel when you want to make good money. If you make good money in Jamaica, you're alright.
You don't need to be alright.
You because Jamaica nice. Who want to live in Africa? You yeah, because you know, so you know, I can't do that.
So who for food this?
Yeah, mix up in that bag.
Who for this?
Zoraya.
Okay, Mickey, sit down, please.
My breast fall down.
Okay, it's okay. We'll put that in the garbage now. Okay, you can't eat that again. Okay. Yeah, the breakfast look good. Stewed chicken, fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish and coffee. You say chicken tastes good?
One video, Elliot said, Mommy, this is you. They pick the finish eat, the chicken, like, say, for example, chicken wings. And then the mom just choked. The child said, Mommy, do you want my bones? And the mom said, yes. And the mom said, I'm going to chew the bones. Elliot said, Mommy, yes, that is you. Yeah.
Nice and soft.
If me know, I would have put so much in it, I would have put